We got some new wheels here. They're, I think, what are they? Volk Rays TE37. I'm just kidding. They're like fake, but they're still pretty nice. So we're gonna do a little video throwing those on, replacing the stock wheels. Oh yeah, see, these are, I don't know if this light. Yeah, these not even close. Yeah, these won't work. Alright, you wanna go to AutoZone?
Yep. Take your car.
We're going to AutoZone. So, yeah. This is pretty much, as you guys know, working on cars. You think you have it all figured out until you take that first fucking bolt off and you don't.
Shit just got real.
Oh. It's like a special socket. Whatever, as long as I keep my fucking wheel on, we're good. We're good. Yo, is that a 2JZ? Why did he come to a complete stop?
What's the worst thing? You get fast, I tighten it. Oh, it's tight.
Alright guys, wheels are on. Looks pretty damn good. Car looks like it needs to be lowered, but you know, still looks better than stock. It's rubbing on my fender liner. That's fucked up. So we're gonna take care of that right now. Alright, she don't scrape no more. And the only reason I did that is because the car was in an accident. Fender liner's really fucked up, so yeah, that's what you gotta do. Probably order a new one. Alright guys, the rims are all on and they look pretty good. I have to say they look pretty good. They're 17, so it's the same size as stock. But once we get her lowered, she'll look pretty nice. Do a little comparison video here. Here's 17s on a stock height IS, and then here's 18s on a stock height IS, and then here's stock 17s, Sport Designs on a stock height IS. So yeah, don't hit my car. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking serious, dude?
Oh,
look at that. I'm just kidding, it was there for. Anyways. Why was this armed in the first place is what I want.
It's told, but the alarm still works.
Let's get it. This is actually automatic. This is a rare option. Holy shit, it's so hot. Is that insane?
Oh my.
I think it was like resting on the end.
It's pretty fucking hot. Oh.
Holy cars. Oh. Got some distance to go there. Can you push this down as hard as you can? Dude, if you could finesse this out without doing anything, I'm very impressed.
Fucking.
Oh, you like jammed in? Fuck yeah. It's kind of like a puppy.
The fucking most annoying puzzle ever.
Yeah, you see the issue here? Whenever I floor it, the car kind of like shifted a little bit. That's holy shit. Yeah, I think that's good. Should I go for it? Yeah. That's not bad. I still got a sundown. Look at the tape measure. I want to see the difference. That's, you're looking at, oh, that's not bad. That's like inch and a half. Inch and a half. I think it's fine.
Alright, so we'll go from
Just measure the difference.
23, 21.
I say 23 and a half and then 21 and a half. Do we remember where the ABS clip was? Yeah. Is it here? Wait, what clip? Wait, no. There's only one way of doing it. Is it up a little bit, can we? There we go. For another bolt. You have the third bolt? Oh wait, no, I don't fucking own it.
3.
Wait, what?
Alright, you try to pop this out without hitting the bolt. Now they make a tool for this, and we're not using it. Oh, you got it? Oh shit. I look away and that's what happened.
I hope this isn't getting away like you said.
We got it out.
Alright, so they're on there. He's about to lower it. I mean, jack it down. Is it good?
I just have a feeling I'm not gonna get my butt. I mean, not myself.
Holy. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's a little different.
Fucking sick. Yeah, that's perfect, man. Look how weird it looks with the backup.
Yeah, bro, drag car stats.
Yeah, do that until we'll continue tomorrow.
What's that? Alright, ready to do the back?
Smart.
What you want to do is just kind of fucking pull it just like that. Exactly follow my steps. A lot of dust in there. See if you can finesse this by himself while I film. All you gotta do is just put your foot on it. Shit should pop right out. Fucking get that foot on there. Now maybe I'll film too and do it. Alright, ready? Oh, he got it by himself. I just put my foot there. And he did it. Alright, we got the coilovers installed. on the IS300, and they're looking pretty good. Painted my brake calipers red too. My sway bar was disconnected on one side for some reason, so I reconnected that. I don't know. The car's kind of sketchy, but these are them. All installed. It's pretty easy. Pretty much just pop this bottom bolt out, pop the top bolts out, press down on this and pull them out, the old ones, and yeah. Front wasn't that hard either. Just disconnected the upper ball joint. And disconnected the upper ball joint, swayed it forward, swayed the whole hub forward, and pulled the top 2 bolts. And we didn't even, some people had to disconnect the sway bar because you can't get the bottom bolt out of the strut, but we didn't have to do that. We just kind of pulled it out with pliers, and yeah, away we were. So I'll definitely get a shot of the car on the ground for you guys. You can see how it looks. I didn't even adjust them. I just I did what they came with from the factory, like what they were already adjusted with, and I took measurements and from the ground to the fender, and it was all even. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. Here it is, 2001 IS300, lowered on Tien Flex Z coilovers. Height that they came preset to, about 24.5 inches off the ground from the fender. Yeah, she looks pretty good. That's how it's sitting right now, compared to a stock IS. Both with 17-inch rims. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe. We got more videos on the way. Probably going to be doing a coilover install on that IS300 or at my cousin's. And yeah, if you have any questions about how we did it, or you want more videos, anything in particular about IS300s, and let me know. We can make that happen. Also subscribe to see my super build, and got a lot of stuff coming for this channel soon, so make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.